Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Is your electric boiler acting up? Don't panic. Today, I am going to walk you through a 10-step guide to troubleshoot and potentially fix your boiler before you call in a pro. Remember, safety first. Always turn off the power to your boiler at the circuit breaker before you start any work. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check the power supply. It might sound obvious, but make sure the boiler is actually getting electricity. Look at your circuit breaker and see if it has tripped. If it has, reset it once. If it trips again, you likely have a bigger issue and should stop here and call an electrician. Step 2. Examine the thermostat. Is it set to a temperature high enough to trigger the heat? Sometimes the settings get accidentally changed. Also, check if it needs new batteries. A simple battery swap can sometimes be the magic fix. Step 3. Inspect the pressure gauge. Most electric boilers need to be within a specific pressure range to operate, usually between 1 and 1.5 bars when the system is cold. If the pressure is too low, you'll need to repressurize it using the filling loop. If it's too high, you may need to bleed a radiator to release some pressure. Step 4. Look for error codes. Many modern boilers have a digital display that will show an error code if something is wrong. Grab your user manual, find T code, and see what it means. This can pinpoint the problem for you, whether it's a sensor failure or a pump issue. Step 5. Check for leaks. Carefully inspect the boiler and the pipes around it for any signs of water. A leak can cause pressure drops and lead to more significant damage if not addressed. Tighten any dripping fittings if you can, but be. Hentley. Step 6. Listen for unusual noises. When the boiler is trying to run, are you hearing any strange banging, whistling, or These sounds can indicate trapped air in the system, a failing pump, or limescale buildup, a common issue known as kettling. Step 7. Bleed the radiators. If your radiators are cold at the top and warm at the bottom, you probably have trapped air. Use a radiator key to slowly open the bleed valve on each radiator until water starts to trickle out, then close Italiano. This helps the hot water circulate properly. Step 8. Reset the boiler. Just like a computer, sometimes a simple reset can clear a fault. Look for a reset button on your boiler's control panel. Press it and wait a few minutes to see if the boiler fires up normally. Don't do this repeatedly if it doesn't work the first or second time. Step 9. Check the pilot light if you have an older model. Though we're focusing on electric boilers, some systems have components that might resemble older designs. For purely electric systems, this step is more about ensuring all internal switches and contacts look clean and are not visibly damaged. And finally, Step 10. When in doubt, call a professional. If you've gone through all these steps and the boiler still isn't working, or if you're ever unsure or uncomfortable with any step, it's time to call a qualified heating engineer. Working with electricity and pressurized water systems can be dangerous. I hope this guide helps you diagnose your boiler issue. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful Thanks for watching, and stay safe.